Hello everyone, I'm Yash this side from Garage Door Marketing Pros, and in this video I'll be going over on exactly the steps that I follow for all of my Garage Door clients that brings them some insane results. And in this video I'll be uncovering all of the secrets that I use for their website so that you can also do the exactly same thing and get the results that I get for all of my other Garage Door clients. So first thing, why SEO? So I was watching one of the podcasts of Tommy Mello, owner of even Garage Door Company, doing nearly $200 million in revenue, and he suggests working in SEO and working on SEO because his own company has been built on SEO and online marketing. So now you know how much important SEO is for Garage Door industry, right? Now let's directly jump into our main content, that is how to do SEO for your own Garage Door website. So there are two parts of SEO for Garage Door businesses. First, optimizing their Google business profile, and then optimizing their website. You don't really have to do both of these separately, although there are some actions you need to do for each of it. For instance, filling all the information on Google business profile. This is an action that is not directly linked to your website, but you have to do it if you want to rank on maps. So let's first have a look at the basics of optimizing a Google business profile for Garage Door business. So when you get into the dashboard of your Google business profile, you will get an option of clicking on business information and adding all the information there. So you don't really have to miss anything. There you will see business name, business business category, description, opening date, contact information, website, location and areas, then service area, and then business hours. So you have to fill everything correctly, and again, don't miss anything. Fill out everything and every information that you know, because ultimately Google is gonna take the information from here and provide it to your users. Okay, so this is the very basic thing in ranking on Google Maps. Now let's look into doing the general SEO that's gonna boost your Google business profile and website as well. First step, do keyword research. In layman's term, it's a thing that will help you know what your customers are searching. So keyword research is a process of identifying the term and phrases that potential clients are using in their web searches for Garage Door services and information related to it. This is the very first step in conquering the search in your area. You can do it using paid tools as well, for instance Ahrefs, or by free tools like Google Keyword Planner. In this video, I'll be walking you through Google Keyword Planner so that you exactly know how to do it for absolutely free. Okay, so for that you have to go into ads.google.com and sign up there. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost you a penny. Okay, so when you go that, you will find an option of Keyword Planner. So just go there and you will see an option or a window like this. So then click on enter product or services. Okay, then you have to add your keywords here. For instance, I have added Garage Door Repair, Bakersfield, California. Okay, then you have to select your location from here and then click on get results. Okay, it will take hardly 30 seconds and it will give you a lot of data. Okay, so you can see I have got the target I've got the average monthly searches for my target keyword, that is Garage Door Repair Bakersfield. Then I have got many other keywords that my potential customers are searching for. Okay, you can then just download it from here and you can just get the keyword directly into your Google Sheets. Okay, as I said, you will see tons of keywords of Garage Door industry specific to your city, but make sure you are selecting city from here. Okay, and once you know what your potential customers are searching for, you can optimize and create the content as per that. Now comes our second step, that is creating content and optimizing it. Okay, now as I said, once you know what your targeted customers are searching, you can create content around that. Okay, for creating content you will need a writer. You can do it on your own if you have the time, but if not, you can hire us to do it. We have native writers in our agency who will write for your website. Okay, and if you're tight on budget, you could do it on your own as well, as I already said. Here's how you have to do it. First, go to Google and search for your particular keyword. For instance, as I said, I'm taking an example of Bakersfield city, but you could just you could just do it for exactly like this for your own city. For instance, I've searched garage door repair Bakersfield, and when I search this, I got a lot of websites ranking up here, right? So I'll have to click on every single of these, and I will click on 3 of them. I will just skip Yelp as it's a directory and not a and not a local business here. So I'll click on 3 legitimate websites who have physical location there, and what I will do, I will then just go and install this extension. This is called extract headings. What it will do for you is it will extract all the headings from that particular web page. So here comes our main thing, or main golden nugget, right? Once you have extracted the headings from all these 3 websites who are ranking on the top of Google, you will then have to go through it, and will have to create one content headline, or sorry, outline for your own website. Okay, and then you will use that headline to generate content or to create content for your own website. Got it? So once you have got that, you can start creating the content for your web page. Now you also have to make sure that you're using the keyword often, not so often though. That looks natural because we want our visitors to convert into a paying customer, right? You can also use tools like Page Optimizer Pro for optimizing the content, and it does a great job in optimizing your website, and particularly your web page. Okay, I do use it for all of my clients, and it works wonders. Okay, now once our content is ready and optimized, you are good to go. Publish the content in your primary page. For instance, if you are a one location business, the primary page would be your home page. Then submit the page on Google Search Console. You will get an option of submitting it by clicking on URL inspection, and it will ask you to submit that particular URL here, and then you can just submit that and Google will index that. Got it? Now let's move to our very next step. That is not a compulsion but a necessity. It's link building. So link building is the process of getting other websites to link back to your website. When another website links to yours, it shows Google that your content is valuable. It also gives people another way to find you online. Now, the main question here is, how will you build links? You have two ways: purchase them and save your time, or build them on your own and save your money. Okay, I'll always suggest the first one. It's simply much easier for a business owner running a garage door company, isn't it? Now, if you want to do it for free, you can also outreach to your local bloggers, your news websites. Some of them may give you a link in exchange for some content for their website, but let's focus more on buying one, as it's easier and quicker. You can purchase links from us, or you can purchase links by emailing the website owners in your niche and paying them certain amount in exchange of a link. I'll be coming up with a detailed video on link building for garage door business owners soon in this video, so make sure to subscribe the channel if you're interested in it. But now let's simplify it right now on how you can build links to your garage door business website. First, you email someone who is running a website targeting your particular city or state. Then they will respond. You'll pay the amount they say, and you get a link. Isn't that easy? Not every time though. You'll have to be very aware from which site you're purchasing the links, and how's the profile of that site. You can use Ahrefs to check such things, although it will give you a rough idea, but it's not definitely giving you an exact idea, but it will give you a rough idea if paying for a link to that site is worthy or not. Now let's jump into our very next and last step, that is tracking our SEO results. Okay, see, tracking the result is as important as working for results. You cannot know if your SEO campaign is working or working in favor of you or against you until you track it. For tracking your results, you can use a free tool, that is again Google Search Console, and you'll see a dashboard like this once you have installed Google Search Console on your website. And go into Google Search Console and check if your keyword positions or impressions and clicks are going up or not. This is a very simple way to track your SEO campaign. It's a very big tool that will need a separate video if I start teaching every single feature of it. But for you, it's not that important to go very deep into it, right? Just check the things I mentioned and you're good to go. So this was all about garage door SEO services. I hope you like the video. So if in case you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll be very happy to answer you. And just another thing, that in case you're looking for an agency that could handle your garage door business, we at Garage Door Marketing Pros do just that for many of our garage door clients. Okay, so just book a call with me using the link given below and let's see if we are a good fit to work with each other. That was all for this video. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye.